Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this fault code P200A21, the charge movement flap. So this is to do with the intake manifold, shall we say. This is a 2.1 diesel Mercedes engine, so it is based literally here on this engine section. Now it is a bit of a tricky one, so you'll have to remove all this here. On some of the old engines it was probably flipping around on the side there, which is even more harder, but in this one you've got it right here. So it's this plastic here, to be fair. So there's quite a few good components to be removed, and it's usually the flap that kind of packs in. Sometimes it's the internal ones that's basically inside the manifold intake flap, so them flaps, or there's one on the side that comes along on the side of it, and that it's like a little lever. It kind of pulls it backwards and forward. That'll be the one causing it. Sometimes it breaks, it snaps off, but really if you're going to do it, just buy a new set, OEM original, put it on, and hopefully that should cure it. It doesn't need coding in, guys, so it's just a case of pop it on. If you've got the diagnostic machine, obviously do a full scan and clear. Now the signs, I should have said this in the beginning, the signs you would usually get, it's like usually full power, or you'll get the full power, there is no question. Sometimes you'll get intermittent, like limp mode. So here is the picture of the intake manifold. Now the arrow, the red arrow pointing to them holes, is the flaps. They're the ones that break, or the other one that would break would be the side one, which you can see on the arrow here is. And they do pop out, they break. So either way, if it's that one or the other one, it's just best to replace it since you're at it at that time. So you might as well just change the lot. This is the kind of shape it has. You can buy it online. eBay's your best bet, but buy original OEM parts and just plug and play really, and then just do a full scan and just clear it after. But it is a ball ache to get to, so good luck with it all.